All right, guys, here we go.
For you, ain't no more pulling it no more. So
Oh,
you can cut the grass on your own too.
yay! Without any troubles. Yeah, guys, I
Yeah,
had trouble
snatch it.
with pulling it. So I like this. Let's go.
But you press the button,
I'm watching.
then you pull on.
Look at that, guys.
Sound like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Huh? You hear that? Here we go. He going so fast, guys. I'm trying to catch him to see how it cuts. Don't you need to do it lower? He walks so fast, y'all. It's going smooth though, guys. It's cutting, see? Let me see, I can back up. See how it's cutting? It's definitely cutting. It makes less noise than the real one. So far, so good. Yeah, the chickens are getting out of the way. All right, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how it's mowing. Let's see. Have y'all watch some more. Wow. Let me see if I can back it up a little bit so you can see. It's really cutting pretty good. Look at that. He has it on a 7, I think he said, a 7 level. And it looks like it's easier to push too. Is it easier to push? See, easier to push, my husband said. Which I figured that. It looked like it was easier to push. But it's cutting really good, guys. The looks seem to be very smooth when going across the grass. I feel like he's gliding, you know. Trust me, I know, because I cut the grass too at times, so I can't wait to try this myself. And this is, again, this is on a level 7. Let me show y'all the chickens. Look at the chickens over there. How they doing what they do? Now watch. See? I think my husband likes it, guys. So, my women out there, go ahead and get you an electric lawnmower for your husband or your boyfriend. It'll make cutting the grass easier, or for my women that's doing it all, you can also have, go ahead and get you one. It seems to be really easy to push. All right, here we go. Go ahead, let's go. See, guys, he on the move fast. This is the fastest he's ever cut the grass, for real. I'm telling you, this thing is smooth like butter. No, I don't work for the company, but I'm impressed because we really didn't know how this lawnmower will be, you know? Something new to us. And then, I'm trying to show you. You see how I have the excess grass sometimes? It's not even a lot of this that you'll find in the yard. So that's a plus too. Look, see the difference? Let me show you. You see? This is where he cut. And this is, oh, you can? Let's do it. He can make it go faster. What level? What number? Huh? What number? Yeah, but what number is it on?
See that right there?
Hold on.
See, adjust it here.
Wait, that's
See
too
the
close,
turtle?
sorry.
See the turtle?
Okay.
Panther. So you adjust it.
So which one is higher, the Panther?
When you put it all the way forward, that's the fastest speed.
Okay, so he's gonna try the faster speed, guys. I'm gonna try to follow.
So you hold the button first.
I'm gonna try. You're not going fast with it. Oh, you mean that's going faster? Okay. So he has it on a faster speed. And you can hear it crunching up, you know, the grass. Not bad, guys. I'm impressed. Leave a comment below what you think about it so far, from what you've seen from the video. Also, will you all go ahead and purchase one of these? Leave a comment below as well if you would purchase one. You know, I say go for it, especially if it's going to make your job easier in the yard, you know. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Please make sure you hit that like button, guys. Share, share, share. And hey, I need some tea, guys. Look out for your girl and buy me a cup of tea. Each tea that you decide you'd like to buy, if you like to buy one tea, 2 teas, they're only $5 each. I would greatly appreciate it. Your girl gotta stay awake. I know most people drink coffee, but I drink tea. That's my thing. Coffee gives me migraines because I can't have caffeine like that at all. So, all right, guys, I'll see you all on the next video.